What is it?
It did.
What is it? A tomato
With red.
Oh, red tomato! Oh my goodness.
And two not red.
There's some that are not red. A bunch that are not red. Oh my goodness.
Not red. Two.
Are they orange or green?
Green.
Oh, it's so exciting!
You're not eating.
You're not gonna eat them yet. Huh? Are you gonna eat that one right now? Yay! That's so fun! They are. They're all gonna get red, huh?
Yeah.
It's gonna be so fun.
You can eat them.
Eat them and eat them and eat them, huh?
And then eat all and then we have that big one.
You're gonna eat the big tomato? Do you think it'll be yummy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
When it get red.
When it gets red, you're right.
Not red.
What is it? Is it a bug on the floor?
No.
What is it?
A bug. The bugs
A
on.
bunch of bugs? Ew, why are you spitting? You're spitting on the bugs? Oh, Claire, you don't do that, you silly girly. Peek it. It's the cutest little tomato, huh?
What?
You want to see? Look at this. Watch this. It's really cool. Whoop, there's your eye. And you can zoom it out.